Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger. Once you open Facebook Messenger, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to scroll down, and then you need to click on the privacy option that is showing here. Click on that option, and here you can see the option of restrict accounts. Click on that, and then you need to select any account, and then you need to click on unrestrict. Let me unrestrict another account. Click on that account and click on unrestrict. So now you can see that I unrestrict all my accounts. So this is the process by which you can unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.